Buying a car can be a daunting process as there are multiple factors that will make or break your decision. Knowing what to look for in the condition of the car isn't an easy task. Carro's professional will handle this for you with our thorough 150-point inspection check. Let's get straight to it. A car is like a family member. This is why we make sure that at the end of the checkup, you will be confident to take the next step. The car's exterior is the first impression. Our trained mechanics don't skim on details when doing the evaluation. The inspection helps to identify dents, scratches, and faulty parts for complete transparency so that you know what to expect. This full transparent inspection from our trained mechanics will boost your confidence and instill assurance when making your decision. The interior of a car needs to provide you with comfort, safety, and convenience. Think of it like a home on wheels. We will do a complete check and replace faulty parts for quality assurance. No more unreliable in-car features, aircon issues, faulty controls, and unnecessary headaches. The engine bay is the core of your vehicle. It houses hardware that is the heart of the car. Here's how we can give you a peace of mind. Us drivers know the fear of the car breaking down, or even the dreaded check engine light. Once our professionals complete this examination, we can proceed to do the necessary repairs and make sure the car is in good condition. The underbody parts act as the support for your car's stability and emissions. Want to make sure the handling and overall performance is optimal? This is where we come in. We perform rigorous checks and help you to identify underlying issues. On top of the crucial checks, we will perform an ECU check to make sure everything runs the way as intended. One of the final steps of our 150-point inspection is to take your car out for a road test, because being a good drive is the most important. Find your next car with us and be assured of excellent quality and drivability. Drive off with your new ride with a hassle-free experience and full satisfaction. I hope we have managed to show you all the things that Carro's 150-point inspection can do for you and your next car.